Are wheel spacers a good idea for electric car? If you just add wheel spacers on electric cars, there should be no difference before and after. Choosing a good set of electric car wheel spacers that can make a big difference in performance. Additionally, BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers send air into the rotors to keep temperature down. Then come with active cooling grooves, which allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacers. When rotating, the air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. Good quality wheel spacer must be made of good material. Considering the strength and rust-proof needs, brilliant aluminum is more suitable. BONOSS Forge active cooling electric car wheel spacers are made of forged aluminum alloy. They are high-performance aluminum alloys that feature good corrosion resistance, weldability, workability, and machinability. If you use high-quality wheel spacers that specifically fit electric car, there will be no problems. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.